Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan and I will show you how to install the front wiper blade. This video should apply to Dodge Grand Caravans made from 2011 all the way up to 2020. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, now I purchased this minivan from the car auction, and as you can see it came without the driver's wiper blade. There is some damage to the windshield as well, but it is what it is. I will show you now how to install the new wiper blade. I can also show you how to remove these pieces of the old blade. Now there is like a small tab down here which you have to push and then pull this down. Okay. You see, push this and then just pull it down. Okay, so here is my new wiper blade. You will need 26-inch or 660 millimeters for the driver's side. Now usually these wiper blades will come with a bunch of different adapters. Now this is mine. Okay, there's one adapter on top of it. It says A. But this one also came with additional adapter, and that's because this kind of wiper blades can fit on different kinds of vehicles depending on the style of the wiper arms on the vehicle. Now I will show you here. First, the Dodge minivan has like this typical large hook style. Okay. Now you have to figure out from the instructions what kind of adapter you need. So let's get back to that. And every type of wiper blade you get will have different similar but a bit different adapters, so that's why this can be a bit tricky. Now you can see here on the side of this box there's like a top lock. This is not it. There's like a narrow top lock. The top lock. Okay, J hooks, small J hooks, large J hooks. So this is what we have, and now we have to figure out what kind of adapter we need. So we need adapter type A, which is actually on this wiper blade right now. See, it says A here. So now I will go outside and show you how to attach it, right? But looking at this, it should just slide on, and then I should just lock it in place using this this kind of a plastic cover on top. Okay, so let's give it a go. First I will open this up, and now I should just slide this in here. I'm trying to work with one hand, so that's not the easiest, to be honest. Okay, just like that. And then I should lock it in place by closing this cover on top. And yeah, that's pretty much everything. It is as easy as that. I find these J hooks to be quite easy to install. Now, like I said, this adapter might be slightly different based on manufacturer of the wiper blade, but it should be very similar, if not the same, like this one. And now once that is done, just want to remove this plastic cover from the wiper, and yeah, that's pretty much everything. It's good to go. And now I will give it a try to make sure everything is good. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.